वेलकम टू दी अनदर वीडियो इस आपके साथ जो शेयर कर रहे हैं आरती सर्फेक्टेंट। इट्स पार्ट ऑफ आरती इंडस्ट्रीज ग्रुप business, and it's demerged from the Aarti Industries, and now it's in the business of the home and personal surfactant type businesses, and its market cap is below 1000 currently, and company was listed in 2020, and and the company was listed in 2020, and the company had made a high of around 1800 in 2022, and it was listed at price of 500 500 at 500, and it is available at currently available at the price of 650. So it's a good opportunity to make the money, and I'm expecting soon it will give the break out to the resistance, the first resistance of around 800 850 soon, and then it will or you can say the touch the another resistance of the 1200 or 1100, and then it will continue the journey to upside, and then finally it will reach to the lifetime high of 1800. There is a huge potential to make the money here. If you see here, the company highest, the stock highest price was 1800, and company is available at 650 price. So you can calculate that it is almost three times difference here, almost three times difference here. So we can make the money three times from the current price. If we invest a little bit of amount here, then we can make our money three times. So as I always said, every company or stock makes or follow the three patterns. First is uptrend, then it's a downtrend, then consolidation. So company was listed when it was listed in 2020. A company made a high, and then it started going down in 2021 after 1 year, and from last one almost 1 year it is in the consolidation phase. So and it has made a high of 1800 and made a low of 400, and now it is in the consolidation phase. So it is a good chance or good opportunity to make the money. So a huge potential is balanced to achieve, and it will not stop their journey at 1800. It will continue move upside. Is there because it's a small cap type business company, and it's huge potential balance to go. So if we invest a little bit of amount of money, small money in this particular stock, then we can make our money multiple make our money multiple times. It's like a multi-bagger type company. So you please keep watch on this stock. Keep please watching the stock, and before buying, please do your due diligence. Do not consider this as a recommendation to buy. It's my disclaimer. So please keep watching the stock and do not consider this as a recommendation. It's if you see also here on the RSI are at 47, and it's a good level, and volume is also little bit getting increased, and so company is debt free, almost debt free company, not almost debt free, its debt is very low, and so you please keep watch. It's a good company, good opportunity. Please do not consider this recommendation to buy. Please do your due diligence before buying, and please like the channel and subscribe the channel, and like the hit button. Thank you.